Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2015 Pete Kenworth W900L factory built glider kit. It's got extended cab, 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, wet kit, 770 total, 3,000 miles on a complete engine overhaul. Paperwork. I've got the truck hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you oil pressure, blow by, everything that you want to see. Practically new rubber. No blow by. Really beautiful truck, body, paint, interior, everything's in excellent shape. Southern truck, there's no rust. Back of the cab's in good shape. Air slide fifth wheel with a blockable or pinnable fifth wheel there. These are new half fenders. Brakes as well. VIT interior, extended cab, extremely clean, full gauges. Here's your total miles, 777. Low side oil pressure is phenomenal. Super smooth to the RPMs. Oil pressure jumps up there like it should. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, always feel free to give me a call or text to 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.